this video, I'm going to show you how you can add to-do list on ClickUp. So if you have a number of activities that you want to do and you want to add these on your to-do list in ClickUp, it is quite easy. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I want to go ahead and add to-do list on my team workspace. So go ahead and click on the workspace, and then I'll do it under project 2 or the second project. And if I go to this second project, you can see we don't have any task here. So to create your to-do list, go ahead and add a task. And here I'll go ahead and enter the first task. Maybe my first task is to edit documents, and then click on save. Then I'll go ahead and add the second task, maybe submit documents, and then click on save. And then add the third task, assign new task. That is the third task I'll do, and then click on save. Now these are all the activities I want to do on my to-do list. Now one thing you can also do is to go ahead and add due date or due time under each task. So you can just click on date here, and you can select the date and also the time, for instance tomorrow. And to add the time, you can just click on add time, and you can go ahead and choose the time you want this to be done. And once you're done, now you can just click outside. So if you go to calendar, you'll be able to see the scheduled time for each task. You can also go ahead and add the due date and due time under each task so that you can monitor the progress and also you can keep time. So that's how you can add a to-do list on ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.